In this video, we review the ETRADE Core Portfolio. Have you used the ETRADE Core Portfolio before? What was your experience? Leave your ETRADE Core Portfolio review in the comments section below. ETRADE Core Portfolios offers an appealing robo-advisor solution, but there are several important factors to consider when deciding if it is the right choice for you. First, it's worth noting that the platform boasts a low account minimum of $500 and charges a 0.3% annual advisory fee. While this fee is in line with industry standards, what makes ETRADE Core Portfolios stand out is its use of low-cost exchange-traded funds, ETFs, with expense ratios averaging as low as 0.6%. This makes it highly competitive compared to other robo-advisors. One lesser-known feature of ETRADE Core Portfolios is its offering of socially responsible investment, SRI portfolios, allowing investors to align their investments with their values without incurring additional fees. Furthermore, the platform uses a comprehensive risk questionnaire to assess an investor's risk tolerance and recommends a well-diversified portfolio accordingly. ETRADE also automatically rebalances portfolios and includes tax-sensitive strategies, though it does not yet offer tax loss harvesting, which is expected to be added in the near future. On the downside, several users and reviewers have noted that the platform lacks exposure to certain asset classes like international bonds and commodities. While it does include some REIT exposure and smart beta ETFs, those seeking more advanced portfolio customization might find the options limiting. Additionally, interest on uninvested cash in ETRADE accounts is particularly low, ranging from just 0.01% to 0.15%, which is considerably below the rates offered by many competitors. This could be a deal breaker for those with larger cash balances who are hoping to earn competitive interest. A significant point of contention is the $75 full transfer out fee and $25 partial transfer fee. While these fees are fairly standard across the industry, they can still be frustrating for those who wish to move their assets to another platform. That said, existing ETRADE customers can easily convert other accounts into core portfolios without selling off their securities, avoiding the hassle of manual reallocation. Customer support is one of the stronger aspects of ETRADE's offering, with 24/7 availability via phone, chat, and email. However, users do not have access to a dedicated financial advisor. Instead, they can consult with a team of advisor representatives, some of whom hold advanced designations such as the CFP. In summary, ETRADE Core Portfolios is an attractive choice for investors seeking a low-cost, hands-off approach to investing with the option to choose socially responsible portfolios. However, the lack of tax loss harvesting, low interest on cash, and some asset class limitations could deter more sophisticated investors.